size farm sink.
Huge farm sink.
Yep, and her fridge, and the bathroom over here is nice and spacious. She got her laundry over here.
Yep.
Closet, sink, everything that she needs is pretty much over here.
Yep.
And
got the stackable over here.
Very nice. Love the little touches that she has.
Yes, let me go ahead and film this as well, so you can see she's got a nice big shower. There's the commode, and there is her full bathroom. She's got a couple of closets over here for her bathroom essentials, and kitchen sink area, and again, stackable washer and dryer. She does have a pocket door here for privacy to separate the bathroom from the kitchen area. She's got a cat around here somewhere. The cat is in hiding. She does collect quilts. This is one of the quilts. And moving on, following you, Nadia.
And she has a little closet over here she showed us, and she said she has a lot of stuff in there. It goes deep, you guys.
Yes,
So
yes, good size
nice,
closet.
Good size closet over here. And then here's the living room and dining area. It's really nice and spacious in her cabin, I think, because the way that she picked out her windows. So if you guys have the view, I highly recommend doing a little upgrade and getting the windows, because it does make huge difference.
Yes, you guys see she's got 3 huge windows over here. Do you remember what size they were, Miss Hopkins?
Off the top of my head,
No, okay, well, they're really nice size windows.
This door too is different.
Yeah, actually, that's true. She does have a sliding door here on the. Yeah, you're right. That isn't part of the original. Yeah, she got the sliding door on there. Yeah, that's cool. I see. Yeah, that's right. I didn't even notice that at first. Yeah, you went with the sliding door.
And the back door there is.
Back door, yep. She's got the.
It should be in the front, but I went back to go down to the little deck down there.
And for safety purposes, she chose to have the couch here that also doubles up as her bedroom. So that way she doesn't have to make it up the stairs. And obviously, you know, safety first. And very important as you get a little older. Space-wise, too.
Those rooms for other things.
Right, because she's got...
I think big bedrooms are a waste.
Yep, yep.
For me, all I do is sleep in them. I don't need a giant room with all couches and all that.
Correct.
Personal taste.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is her living room / bedroom. And then upstairs, we'll show you what she's got set up there, which I'm sure you guys will really enjoy. This is super cool. She's an artist. And so part of her cabin she has turned into, this is actually her pond. This is a picture she did, a painting she did of her pond out front. And this is all her artwork over here.
And over here, I'm thinking like this could have been a bedroom. If
Yes.
you guys want to use this as a bedroom, obviously, you know, there's more than enough room to put
It does have a door on it,
Yeah, it
so
has
this
a
does
door.
close. So as you can see, you could make it a bedroom if she wanted to, but she chose not to. She chose to turn this into a very functional and
just what works
usable
for her.
office for her. Yep.
But the option is bedroom. Could this be like...
This
a
could also
bedroom?
be a bedroom as well.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm
She could easily have walled this off here. That's the downstairs. But instead, as you can see, she loves art. And so she turned this into a beautiful art studio where she makes all her beautiful art. As you can see, all those
And
bright
there's-
colors.
I can't even touch the ceiling. There's enough room.
Yes. And you
Like,
guys
I know
know.
you guys always wanting to know how tall it is.
Yeah.
I'm 5'4", and
Yep.
still
Lots of space.
Lots
Yep.
of space.
And I'm 6'6", and like I said, my head is nowhere near the top of that, and I'm a tall fellow myself. So it's very usable space. Okay, very usable space. Again, you see all the artwork she's got going on. Let me get you this different angle here. Again, if you're looking for a beautiful cabin, guys, give us a call. This is, again, a beautiful,
AmishBuiltCabins.com.
yep, beautiful modernized Big Bertha 2.0. So the bottom floor is a 14 by 42, and the top floor is 14 by 32. And as you can see, she did make some significant customizations to make it her own, which you guys are welcome to do as well. So let's follow Nadia back
Awesome.
downstairs here. back to the first floor just so you guys can kind of see all the different angles. Let's show them the porch. Let's show them the porch. Again, this is the living room area here. Kitchen, just beautiful, guys. Just absolutely beautiful. Isn't that wonderful? This is Miss Hopkins' cabin. And I think it just turned out beautifully. Something else she mentioned too is she did, in the living room, she wanted it slightly pitched. So she wanted a little pitch in the living room. So you notice how it's a little taller there, just to kind of give that space, you know, a little bit more, make it feel more spacious. That's where her television is over there. And again, notice these huge, lovely windows here. 1, 2, 3 right there. She got her mini split there for her heating and cooling. Like she said, she's already been through one winter. Loved it. Super cozy. She's even got her little electric stove over there. And again, notice one of the upgrades she did was, instead of just having a door here on the front, she went ahead and put the sliders. She got the sliding door here on the front. So again, this is a modified, modern Big Bertha 2.0. So if you think this is one you'd like to have on your land, give us a call, guys. Let's get you a cabin on your land. Let's go see what the ladies are doing out front on the porch.
I'll show you.
Okay, so and tell us more about what you did on the porch again here. You shortened the porch, so instead of it going all the way.
All the way, because I didn't need it that long. I had no reason to have a porch that long. And I needed to put a ramp in, and so that allowed me to use the ramp.
Gotcha. So she shortened the porch, so, and also to let more light in.
More light in the kitchen there. Yeah,
Okay, yeah, let more light into her kitchen, and that's how she ended up doing that.
This is part of the ramp that was at our other house for my husband.
Okay.
And,
so who uses this ramp here?
I do.
Oh, you use it?
Groceries up.
Oh, I see.
Cart and pull them all up here.
Oh, I gotcha.
And,
Cool. Gotcha.
I'll be 85 this summer.
Wow.
And so I want this house to be ready for when I start losing more of my abilities.
I
So
see.
I bought a ramp and just looking ahead.
Planning ahead.
Planning ahead.
She's a planner. I knew that the day she came to the Scottsburg lot. I knew Miss Hopkins was a planner.
I planned the bathroom so I could get a wheelchair in there, and then we put the toilet in a place where I could get to it from a wheelchair.
Awesome.
So I can do everything except go upstairs when I'm not able to anymore, but everything else I need is right here.
Gotcha. You were talking about putting some stairs down
Yeah, I'll show
on the
you
porch?
where- Yeah, I'll show you how that works. There'll be a little deck here.
Uh-huh.
The stairs will go around that way. And if
Okay.
you look down there, there's an old deck.
I
And
see.
so they'll eventually come around, and then
Connect.
I can use that deck, maybe put a hot tub there someday.
Awesome. Awesome. Good
Use
idea.
that up, but that deck was there before, so
Gotcha.
you have
So,
to have 2 doors, you know, and so this is the best place. Didn't take up any space away from any other.
yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Beautiful porch. And goes about, I guess it goes about halfway. A little over
I
halfway.
think it's 24 feet.
24-foot porch. Okay.
Yeah.
Remember, guys, this is a total of 42 feet long. So this is the porch that is under roof is 24 feet, and then she's got this rest of it this way like this. Okay. So again, guys, just a beautiful cabin built by us here at AmishBuiltCabins.com. This is Miss Hopkins' cabin. It just turned out beautifully, guys. Do us a favor, hit the like, share, and follow button if you like this tour today. Show us some love. Everybody's always asking us to come meet with our customers and do these interviews, and so we're going to start doing some road trips, guys, and going around and interviewing our customers just to show you all how beautiful their cabins turn out. I think you guys will really like this content, so we're going to start doing more of this kind of stuff. So hit the like, share, and follow button if y'all like this tour. Show us some love, and that way you don't miss any future episodes. Notice the top is a 14 by 32, so it is shorter, and the bottom is 14 by 42. Beautiful cabin again. Trying to get all the angles for y'all, because once we leave, that's it. So I try to film as much as possible here. Get all the angles. Again, this is a big Bertha 2.0. I'm going to call this the modern edition because this isn't made with 4x6s. This is made with 2x6s with D-log siding on the outside and tongue and groove pine on the inside. So if you're interested in getting one of these on your land, give us a call at 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033. Again, smash the like, share, and follow button. Don't forget to subscribe, and y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.